In this video, I show you how to make a comparison video like this. In the last video, we taught you how to make data cubes for a comparison video. Now we want to add some animation to our cubes. Go to camera view and frame 0. Select the first cube. For animating the cube, we need to connect all the objects to the cube. I already connected these two texts on this plane by selecting them, then pressing Ctrl P, then Object Cube Transform. If I move this plane, the text will move too. Now we have to connect this plane to the cube. Click on the plane first, then the cube. Press Ctrl P and select Object Cube Transform. Now if I move the cube or scale it, the other objects will move too. Do this action for next cubes. Select the plane, then the cube, then press Ctrl P. Now we can give them animation. Everything that I do here is optional. You can do it in your own way. Select the cube, then press G, Z, -6. Press I for inserting keyframe. Our keyframe is added. Then go to frame 50. Now while the cube is selected, press G, Z, and 5. Now press I. Our second keyframe is added. Go to frame 0, then play. And for the next, press G, Z, -8. Then press R for rotation, Z 180. Press I for setting the keyframe. Bring the cube back to its position. G and Z and 8. R, Z -180. Then press I. Now go back to first frame. If you want this animation to happen sooner or later, you can choose the keyframe, then press G and move the keyframe. Or you can choose both keyframes, start and end. Okay, I do this for next cubes by option. Now our cubes have animation. Okay, our data cubes are perfect. You need a background scene for your video. There are some simple ways to make a background. For example, adding a picture to your background. You need a big plane for that. Rotate the plane. You can add a city picture for your background. You must first find non-copyrighted pictures from Pixabay or Pixels. These two websites offer so many pictures that you can use in your projects. Let's give this plane a material. Click on New and from base color, select image texture. Import an image from a desktop. Let's add a city picture. If you think this image doesn't look so good, you can make a city for your background by geometry nodes. I already made a video about making city with geometry nodes. I put the link of the video in the description. Just for saving time, I just copy paste the city here. Press N and set the end view on 10,000. Okay, I copy pasted the city here, but you can see the background is still empty. You can add a picture from sky to give it depth, like so. Click on camera. Now you have a beautiful background for your project, and this was how to make a comparison video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, just comment down below. See you next time.